we are going to see how to fix the constantly rebooting DSTV decoder. Oh, the model number is DSTV E48-32. So we're gonna go with no signal problem and constantly rebooting problem. So it displays a message something like this. The function cannot be performed as the signal strength or signal quality is poor. Please ensure that your signal strength or signal quality percentage are high enough. So we're gonna tackle this one by one. So first thing first is that make sure you check the power supply. Ensure the power cable is securely connected and power outlet is functioning properly. So there is no leakage or malfunctioning in the power supply and your system is getting proper power. After that, you have to reset the decoder by following these steps. Check for the software updates. If available, just install the latest software update. Inspect the cables, make sure that there is no cut in the cable connection is proper and there is not damaged cable in the wire. So after that, all you have to do is to make sure if nothing works, make sure to factory reset your uh, decoder. After that, let's move on to the second problem, which is no signal problem. So in order to cope up with this one, all you have to do is to follow these simple steps. The first step is check cable connection, ensure the cable between the satellite dish and the decoder is properly connected. Inspect the satellite dish, make sure there is nothing that is covering the satellite dish and it is aligned properly and there is no obstruction by any object nearby. Check for the weather conditions. Sometimes when there are clouds and heavy clouds and dark clouds above the dish, it doesn't work. And this is pretty much natural, and you all know that probably. So, if the weather condition is very harsh, make sure you wait till the weather is better, then the system will automatically start working. It will get the proper signals. And after that, just go to the DSTV menu and check for the signal strength and quality, adjust the dish if necessary, and then reset the decoder if nothing works. And if nothing works, make sure you take the decoder to the local franchise and ask for the solution. These are some of the solutions that are available on the internet, and by doing so, you will be able to fix these issues, hopefully. Take care. Bye bye.